What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. We are back on track. I made a video yesterday basically explaining really quickly that I was in Orlando at Universal for a couple of days, just enjoying the wizarding world of Harry Potter. You know who you are who left that comment. But anywho, what we need to do is continue from where we left off yesterday, which was in regards to a descending fractal forming on XRP's 4-hour charts. And we were getting very close to seeing that break up and inevitably bring us to the upside here. You can see we drew this in quite nicely right here on the thumbnail, descending fractal, retesting price ceiling. The goal is we break through. Obviously, that doesn't have to happen, but it is something we are paying attention to. You can see I do have it pulled up right here. It is quite nice. We do have this kind of lower high, lower low pattern as we retest bottom supports, top resistances. You can see we just quickly rejected yesterday, this morning, last night. And now we have to make a decision. Are we going to continue to correct, or will we break up and swing to the upside here? Coincidentally, we're also forming inside a much larger kind of symmetrical triangle here. Whether accurate or not is up for debate, but you can see as I zoom out that there is some sort of fractal, like where we are retesting these supports. And now that we reversed off that, it's almost like we could continue this pattern. And ideally, if things do react how we plan on expecting them to see, then we would ideally be ready at this point here to be breaking up. That's what we're looking for. That's what we're hoping for. That's what we're paying attention to. Things are pointing towards reversal, break ups, than they are breakdowns, as we are at the lower point on this channel here. But again, if you scale out even further, we could continue to spiral down to this descending fractal. That's a big possibility. But inevitably, it's like, are we ready yet? Like, we didn't fill in the gap. You can see all the way to here. Like, there is still some room, obviously, to fill this in. So if that's the case, then a break up would be inevitable. If we do break down, regardless of direction at this point, though, it's going to happen with a big amount of volume, and we'll be able to capitalize off either one. Anywho, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. So guys, super quick before we dive into the technical analysis, remember Jumpex is giving away future bonuses, a sign-up deposit bonus of up to $100,000. Yes, you heard me right, for those whales out there. But for those that want to just test out the trial version, make sure to check out Jumpex. You can earn $300, and they have some other smaller sign-up bonuses and just deposit bonuses too, depending on what you deposit into it, which is super cool. For those that don't know, Jumpex is a new cryptocurrency exchange to the market, but they have been around for a very long time, as their sister company is Fairdex. They are the partner powered by Fairdesk to create Jumpex, so it's super cool. They're offering a lot of very, very, very interesting and unique kind of rewards and promotions going on right now because of the fact that they are new. But the cool points to this is for those looking for exchanges out there that really have a hard time doing so in the US or other places, Jumpex offers no KYC and they offer no VPN restrictions, which means any region at that can trade on the exchange, which is very cool. Make sure to check out Jumpex down in the description below. I'll explain more about them later on in today's video, but diving into today's video, you can see, continuing from where we left off here, we are starting to bottom. And I think the main focal point you can see here is that we are at 32 on the fear and greed index in the crypto market right now. And this shows you that everything pretty much is in line with reversal to the upside here, with potential swings upwards here. Like, we are at a low point in a lot of these markets here. Undervalued, fear clearly taking over, not greed. We are oversold and we are due for potential swings, potential reversals, and potential movements back to the upside, which is what we're oh so patiently waiting for. Obviously, you can see right here. So we are looking for that swing. That's pretty much what we're anticipating, is to just come back up, maybe more towards neutral, maybe more even higher up than that. That's pretty much the main focal point here. And then continuing from then on out, a lot of these cryptocurrencies are still consolidating today. And that pretty much leads us to where we are now, saying that the markets are pretty much undervalued here. If we look at the daily, everything points to it. So fear, we are at the fear part of the fear and greed index here. We are undervalued. We're trading fairly low, plenty of room to head up at 40, 39 on the relative strength indicator. We at the low part of this symmetrical triangle and the low part of a descending fractal, which has a bullish bias. So we are looking for a break to the upside. We also have moving average on our side and an uptrend here. So everything points towards swings. We are looking for a swing up. That's the goal, inevitably here. That's what we're paying attention to. Obviously, we could dip lower. That is obviously a huge possibility. And if it does, they'll be able to short this to the downside. But regardless of direction, we can capitalize on it. And the best part is it's going to happen this week. That's the cool thing. More than likely, we're going to get our answer as early as today, if not this week, which is exciting if you ask me. So pay very close attention to XRP charts here, because these typically break bullish, and bouncing off this support, we are due for a reversal as well. So keep your eyes peeled on that. Now, obviously, all these trades can be done on Jumpex, a very, very, very cool cryptocurrency exchange that offers a lot of unique features, unlike other exchanges out there. No KYC, no VPN restriction here. But on top of that, they have a promotions feature. Well, not only that, they obviously trade XRP. I mean, that's just awesome to start with here, XRP to USDT. So you can leverage trade XRP, limit orders, market orders, take profits, stop losses, every single thing you'd want on an exchange is offered on Jumpex, including they have a affiliate program, the welcome bonus right here. And then they have a simulated trading account. So you get, what's really cool is you can get, over $35,000 deposit to earn here. 550, 150, 350, all the way up to 35. And then I showed you again, they have up to 100K as a feature for my channel too, which is super cool. But basically what you do, you deposit and you can earn a bonus, which is super, super, super unique. And then you can just withdraw your money afterwards here and then use use your bonus money to trade around completely free. It's very cool. It's a great way to earn free profit here, trade around with somebody else's money. And then on top of that, they do have the Jumpex offer by the simulated version here. So this gives you a simulated cryptocurrency exchange to practice trading your skills, get familiar with the Jumpex platform, learn how the platform works, learn how to trade. And then when you're ready, you can switch on over, use those bonus, money that you earned and trade around with that, which is very cool as well. So make sure to check out Jumpex, first link down in the description below. Anywho, diving into today's episode, or moving back away from Jumpex and XRP, you can see Solana here also hit a reversal point. Symmetrical triangle forming here. We are at a bottom. We clearly reversed up. And what we're looking for is a swing upwards here. We are looking for this reversal continuation to the upside. It looks like every cryptocurrency is almost destined to see that reversal movement too, which is why we're paying very close attention to this here. And that's the main goal, is to look for reversal, look for swings to the upside here. That's the main point, is that we could very easily see a swing upwards here. All these cryptocurrencies overall are showing undervalued signs where markets could have the potential to swing upwards here. But regardless, we are coming to an end point on a lot of these, and that could cause us to break, and that could cause us to see that volume movement. Now, we did just draw on this. How accurate it is, I'm not entirely sure, but you can see here we do have like 2 to 3 points of confirmation filling in this gap. Clear, it's kind of like a descending funnel here. Inverted funnel that's coming to an end. We are rejecting off price ceiling here on the daily charts. We could fill this in, but the goal is we could break. That's the main point here. At some point soon, as early as today, we could see this break. So this was a new discovery on Bitcoin just yesterday here. After tweaking the charts, it does align pretty well. Besides the little flare that we had here, it could be a bull trap, a little short, a little quick reversal out here. But for the most part, we are trending and moving inside this channel here, and that to me is a very good sign of potential swings to the upside here. With a lot of these cryptocurrencies, a lot of these are showing undervalued situations here. Market is undervalued. We are due for a swing. As you can see right here, this is a stock market, S&P 500. This was yesterday. Today is what, the 11th here? Let's see. Yep, today's the 11th here. So we haven't opened up today, but ideally we are due to move up because we are reversing up. We're creating these higher lows, and we're probably going to try to break through ceiling here. That's the goal. Wow, not what I wanted to draw. You can see here, higher low, higher low. The goal is to break through the ceiling and rally up and not actually fumble lower here, which is possible, but it looks like the higher low pattern is making more sense than otherwise here. So I do think we are due to break through that price ceiling, that all-time high, and start setting new goals. But anywho, that is it for today's video. Definitely make sure to smash the like button if you haven't already. Turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.